How to add WhatsApp link to Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your WhatsApp link on Instagram. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to click on edit profile. Here you will find the link section right here. You can see we have the links option right here. If we click on it, here we can add WhatsApp link. Before they didn't have this option. You could add external links. You had to add like a WhatsApp special link and then add your number, but now you won't have to. You can just simply click on this button right here and just simply select your country code and then type in your number and then click on done, and boom, you will have your number displayed on your WhatsApp. So you will have your number displayed on your Instagram. So let me go ahead and try this actually. And there we go. So now we can see right here, we have plus one more. We click on it. We have the WhatsApp button. If I tap on it, it'll take me over to the contact section and I can go ahead and contact and chat with this person. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can add WhatsApp link to your Instagram profile. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.